Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. If you're new here, welcome girl. If you're not new here, welcome back. So today's video is a spend a day with me. So I am going to get my nails done. I'm gonna get a piercing. I need to go to Ulta to get some more of my skincare stuff and some makeup stuff. And man Dandra is gonna try In-N-Out for the first time, so should be fun. So this is the fit. I'm just wearing leggings. This top is from Ross, my Tory Burch, and I'm wearing my Shein bag. So I'm leaving later than I wanted to, so I just want to get going like ASAP, so we're not on the road all day because I'm coming back to cook dinner later. So yeah, see you guys when we get to the nail salon.
I don't want to wait too long. I don't want to wait too long. I don't want to wait too long. I don't want to wait too long.
Hey guys, we just left the nail salon and these are my nails. I fucking hate them. But there's nothing I can do. So they did offer to fix it. I may or may not go back, but can you, I don't know if you can tell, this is one hand and this is the other hand. This is the hand that both nails should look like, but these are my nails. I decided to get white and not nude. Me and Didi matching. Give me a hand. So we're at the piercing place. We're gonna get piercings now. I don't know if I can vlog in there, but I'll try to. I'm gonna get, I don't know if I can do any piercing. Oh, Didi says she don't know if she's doing any piercing. I want a tattoo. If not, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna get right here pierced. So yeah, let's see where the day takes us. Guys are waiting to get, well, we are waiting for me to get my piercing. I'm gonna, well, I'm already telling me that, yeah. So just a wait, I have to fill out one pamphlet. I'm just waiting on the piercer to tell me say I'm ready. I'm kind of afraid, I'm not like pain. This is gonna look cute. That's the important part. But whatever. Okay, it's good. Guys, look at it. It's so fucking cute. Guys, it's so cute. Like, I know say I want it for time. Me text you. I'm in love. I take our span, so. Yes, you take our span. Yeah. Like say you've been a text me and I'm here. I think we're gonna go to Ulta. We might go to Ulta tomorrow after brunch. Yes. Yeah, I think we're just gonna head to. So I guess it's not gonna be a spend a day with me. It's gonna be like a weekend vlog as Didi was gonna tell me to do, but I didn't listen. So we're gonna go to get food. You're invited. We're gonna get food and get groceries because we're making dinner. So yeah. Hey guys. So it's the next day and we're getting ready to the summer road. Oh Lord, my hair is tangled. Hold on. So I already did my face, as you can see. Danja did my eyeshadow for me because oh no, we can't do eyeshadow. What the hell? What the fuck? There we go. I might have to recurl that. But yeah, we're gonna head to this place called Lost and Found. I just pray that there's not a long wait time because I'm kind of hungry. So I'm just gonna finish getting ready and just prop you guys up and speed this up so you can see me. So yeah.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxed. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon down on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday poppin'. Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxed. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon down on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all was What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back.
Guys, I'm done getting ready. This shirt is from Fashion Nova. Jeans Fashion Nova. Heels Fashion Nova. You can't see the heels, but I'll insert pictures. Bag Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova was the quickest thing I could get in time for today. So yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get there.
I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's.
Hey guys, so we finally made it to Lost and oh, let me turn this off before them copyright me. So we made it to Lost and Found, and it's over there. Even though it's gonna be a long wait, we're ready. Makeup is sitting, wig is sitting. We're ready to have some fun, smoke some hookah, be bad bitches. Period. Seal it, seal. Oh my God. Seal it, seal, guys. Alright guys, see you when we get to the restaurant. Guys, we're waiting in line. People when they serve covered right out. That's so cute. Yeah, we're waiting in line. The place looks cute. We don't. There's like the what they call that? The skyline, but there's not that many people, and the line was moving. So yeah, we're here chilling. We're not wearing the heels because So yeah. I'll let you guys know when we're inside.
Bitch, I got my own. I don't need security in the club. All they woofing on the net, nigga. I thought you was a dog. I ain't got nowhere to go. I shot up everywhere they would. Yeah, you know who took this shit from you. Come get it back in blood. Bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't masked up, no Dodge rigs. Niggas know who it was. They stole the shit just like the 80s. Want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you. Come get it back in blood. If a nigga killer ain't there, you sure no RP shirt. We had 300 shots up in the car before we picked up dirt. Niggas who ain't got shit going, go grab a glizz and get alert. Shot the T-Post RP and Reezy in the dirt. You gotta know I go too far. Got two hoes up on this honey. One of them out stand for O-Block. I 20 some shots left up in the K-15 still in the clock. Leave my door unlocked and stop. I like getting on feet, walk the car. We get up close, doing dirt, I ain't showing love. 11,000 all ones, left my right pocket in the club. You got faces up on me dirty, I went got it out the mud. If I took some, get it in blood, I don't give a fuck when we would. Bitch, I got my own, if I don't need security in the club. All they woofing on the net, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they would. Yeah, you know who took this shit from you, come get it back in blood. Bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't masked up, no Dodge rigs, niggas know who it was. It's doing shit just like the 80s. Want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood.
Killed your man, you keep on talking, better get that shit in blood. Kill my shorty, them a dub, then they gon' walk inside the squad. Hit his little ass with that switch, I bet that switch up his nerve. Fuck the opposites out my city, little bro, put them in the mud. You can't come back to your hood, huh? No. He was dissing on my cousin, now his ass all in that wood, huh? Book his ass, I wish he would come. V-Roy pop up out that car with that new Glock, I wish he would run. His ass playing, bitch, I'm really icy. Really icy. Who shicey, that's my dog. But cool, you know I'm really shicey. You told all them OT niggas that you really slide. But tell the truth about your game.
Guys, we left dinner and I'm just at the Cheesecake Factory picking up cheesecake. Well, Deandra went in for me because I couldn't find any parking to go in, so I'm picking up cheesecake, and then we're gonna stop by this Jamaican spot we found on Google. Hopefully it's good. So I'm just retouching my lips. They don't look good anymore. Guys, I like to overline my lips, make them look juicy. Oh, my lips too moisturized. This person and them bright light. I no wanna see it. No man. God almighty. What a bright piece of light. I just use any regular old brown pencil for my lips, and then I go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie, and then I just put a little. God. Guys, you see all this free lighting I get in? I wonder what's taking the Andra so long. And then I got this regular old gloss from the beauty supply, and it did exactly, it understood the assignment. Can you focus? It understood the assignment, guys. I love that. So I'm just waiting for Deandra to come back, and then once we're at the Jamaican lounge, I will get back to you guys.
Bitch, I got my own fight, don't need security in the club. All they woofing on the net, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they